So today I'm whipping up a quick Indian dessert. It's actually very price accessible, very affordable dish. So basic ingredients today I'm going to use. This is a base, semolina. And then I'm just going to add in nuts and some raisin. And the flavoring is going to come from sugar as well as cardamom powder. All right, so I'm first going to do the sugar syrup. A lot of sugar. But that's actually make Indian sweets quite straightforward. It's basically just cook sugar, add different kind of base, like it could be nut, flour, and water, and ghee.
And do you remember like what was the first sweet you tried to make?
This chukatli, cashew, the one that is my husband's favorite. I always say, oh, how great this is. You can only get it when you go to like Mumbai, but I made it. So here, I'm gonna put in nuts. So I add it slowly. I don't want to create a big lump. And then we can take a break. This will take like 6-7 minutes. Yeah. But I like to try to make different kind of dessert. I find it very interesting. Dessert is that it's very precise, and if you follow instruction, usually it comes out quite good. My master chef, they start to teach us how to make entremet. Basically, it's like different layer of textured dessert coming together. That was really interesting.
Because you have like that cookbook where it's all desserts, right? The one by Claire.
I have a lot.
Yeah.
That one's sweet there, altamini. This one I tried also, the momofuku bar. Also, a lot. That's a lot of sugar. When I made it, I was so scared. I would say the first one is actually that Jamie Oliver, Jamie's Italy. That one was my first one. I love cookbook, but then I realized I don't have enough space. So now I just borrow and I look at them. And if I like it, I will buy it.
I find it interesting because like it's all stovetop dessert making.
Yeah, not much baking. And then when I did the Southeast Asia food, it was all steaming. All these gwei were like steaming it. There's not much baking. I guess it's whatever tool that is available. This is the cardamom powder. You can smell it. Huh? What is your favorite dessert in your country that you're from? What is the favorite dessert that you want to travel to and try? I'm very curious. For me, I want to go to Rome or wherever in Italy to have the gelato. So I'm trying to prevent it from browning. I don't want it to brown, but I want it to continue to roast also. So slowly add it. Xiaomizhou. This is what I'm used to, xiaomizhou, but in the sweet format. A little bit drier. I like the dry fruits and the dry nuts. And it adds a little bit of an Indian cardamom flavor.